The earthworks are finished, we kept everything on track. We even finished with time to spare. Big thumbs up. Now let's go and report to your customer.
First, a check on accuracy. You see how easy it is to compare final shape with design drawings? Any difference out of the required tolerance can be spotted. You've made an amazing job here. It's worth being paid for, isn't it? The customer will digitally receive the 3D as-built data. All your job site data will be kept in the cloud and made available at all times.
This is it. We're done with the project, but we're never done with optimization. I'll feed all the data into our artificial intelligence. So next time I will give even better advice. Being more efficient is a never-ending journey.